Hello, awesome viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, today we are going to discuss how we can put double quotes as an output. How we can get an output of a string with double quotes. For example, if I take string value as I am hello, I am Azhar, right? And if I want to print this, Vbscript is case sensitive, so not to worry about it. So if I do it like this, so let me just double click it. So let me double click the double quotes. So I am getting an answer, hello, I am Azhar. So what if I want hello, I am Azhar as double quotes, right? So what if I give like this, right? Will it work? See, you can see up to here it is taking a string. Azhar, it is in some other color, and I have double quotes here, right? So let me double click the code again. If I double click it, so I'll be getting an error stating expected end of statement, right? So how to achieve this? How do I get hello I am Azhar in a double quotes as an output? For that, guys, we do have a method. So we'll see how we can write it, right? We have to do print it like this, okay? So we'll write ampersand here, and we'll take a character 34, and then ampersand. We'll take Azhar, and then I'll take a character of 34 ampersand, right? So let us see what will be the output for this. If I double click the double quotes, so it is expected now, hello I am Azhar. Azhar is coming in double quotes. So if you're just wondering what is this 34 and why we have put CHR, so we can see the ASCII table. So let me bring out the ASCII table, and we can see what is the character 34. So you can see it is clearly visible. So 0 is for annual, 32 we have getting a space, 34 is double quotes. So if you put CHR there, it represents that give me double quotes in the code, right? So it is one of the simpler VBscript question which is asked. How do we put double quotes as an output? How do we get double quotes as an output of a string? So that's it for the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.